What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Space Ninja game. So let's get started, and I'm just going to show you a quick gameplay of how to play this. So every time you press the space key, you're going to shoot, and you basically just have to shoot the boss until you reach the score 70 and you will win. So now you can hop into a new project and start making this. So first of all, we're gonna make the sprites, and then we can get into the coding. So you can see now we're in, and delete the cat, and you can do paint for a sprite. Use whatever colors you want for the body. Okay, let me just do this really quick. Boom. And you don't have to make it that like perfect unless you want to, and you can spend time in doing that. So I'm just gonna do this. Um, oops. So let me just stretch this out a bit, like that. Boom. And just wait a second. Wait a second. All right, now you can just make the eye colors. So the eyes you can do whatever you want to for the color also, and just duplicate this and just go to your directions and do left, right, and make sure that it's pointing this way. And all you have to do now is just like arrange it a bit and change the colors of it. So grab the fill and change the colors of it to whatever colors you want to, and make sure that this is bigger than the sprite, the good ninja. So this is like the good ninja and that is the bad ninja. So make sure the size is different. Alright, so that's about it. And now you can make your bullet. So just go over here. Um you can even make a ninja star if you want to, but I'm not gonna be spending too much time on the drawings because we also want to get into the coding. So there you go, that's all of the sprites, and now you can pick a space backdrop. So I'll do stars because it's like a spacey. And go to your code for the ninja and select the one green flag clicked, and go to your forever loop motion, grab a change Y, no, not change Y, by set Y sensing, and grab a mouse Y, and go to your code and grab a go to X negative 47 and Y 12. So make sure you put in those coordinates there, and there you have it. Now you can perfectly do this, and that's all for the code of the ninja. Now you can move on to your sprite 3. Basically what you're gonna do whenever green flag is clicked, do hide forever loop if statement, and go to your sensing and do if key space is pressed. You're just gonna do create clone of myself. So go to your control and create clone of myself, and you're gonna do wait 0.1 seconds. And now obviously you need to grab a when I start as a clone because the clone only listen to the clone code. So when I start as a clone, do repeat until touching the edge. And what are you gonna make it repeat? Is you're gonna make it repeat, change the X. So you can do this by 6, and grab a forever loop if statement, and if touching the edge, then you're gonna delete the clone, and make sure you also put a show block right here. Oopsies. Whenever the space key is pressed, show. You're gonna show after you create the clone. So like this, you can see now. that it's going like that. So we want it to, it's just going to be there, right? So we also want it to go to the sprite 1, and you can change this to 0.01. Actually you can change this to like 0.06. So you can see now that it's still a bit like laggy, but oh yeah, you don't need to show this because it's only gonna show the clones. So show the clones only. You can see now it's like it's, I mean, the user of the game can easily just spam this, so you can just change the weight to like this, and now it's shooting much better now. So now you can go to your boss, and you're gonna do, when green flag is clicked, forever loop. You're gonna do motions, go to. So go to Y. So you're gonna do, for your Y, pick random between so over till here, 160 to negative 160. 160 to negative, no, 160 to, alright, so put the negative over here. Don't get a bit, I got a bit confused here. Alright, go to, so now you can see that it'll go to random positions like that, but we don't want it to. So take it out the forever loop, and you can see that it's gonna go to and now you're gonna grab your forever loop and do, if it's touching the sprite 3, then you're gonna just duplicate that and boom. So you can see now every time you shoot it, it'll go to a random position. So now what you're gonna do is make a score variable. So score, and every time it's touching that, it's just gonna change. Oops, put that first, and there you go. Change the score variable by 1. And now you're gonna do is grab another if statement and do, go to your operators and grab an equals statement. Go to your variables and grab your score and do, if score equals to 50, then you're gonna make paint a backdrop. So just delete this, and you're just gonna name this, and then so now you can do like whatever color you want to do. I'm gonna do this green color. Alright, so doesn't really matter for the color, so you can do it like that, doesn't matter. And go to your text, and you're gonna write, and it obviously has to be a different color than green, so you can write, you killed the boss. So it'll be like that, you killed the boss, and boom, so you got it. Alright, there you go. And that is your other backdrop, and then do, every time it's touching that, it's gonna switch the backdrop to backdrop 2, and you're also gonna broadcast a message. So you're gonna broadcast ninja wins. So this is your message here, and you're gonna do, when I receive ninja wins, you're just gonna hide and put a show over there. And for this also, you don't need to put a show there, and then just do, when I receive ninja wins, gonna duplicate the hide block there, and boom. So you got it now. And obviously you're gonna have to change the backdrop back to the game backdrop, so just do that really quick. And you can see now every time you kill the boss, and every time your score is gonna be like 50. Here, I'm gonna change the bullet speed a bit, so like 0.1. Alright, so I'm just gonna spam this only here. And you can see my score is like about to reach 50. It's at 28, 29 now, 31, 32, 34, 35. Let's just try to do this. Basically just gonna do this, so, and there you go. Score 50, but the boss isn't hiding, so just go ahead and make it hide, and there you are. So that is your game, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like the video and comment down if this game was fun to make and helpful. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.